Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to a Facebook post. Let's open the Facebook app. To create a post, simply tap on the What's on Your Mind section. If you want to add a photo, tap on Photo/Video. If you want to select multiple photos, you have to tap on the Select Multiple option and choose the photos you want. For this demo, I will select just one photo, so I will tap on the photo. After adding the photo, you can see that there's an option beside the Edit button to add music. Let's tap on it. On this menu, all the trending songs will appear in front of you. If you want, you can select any one of them. To test the song, tap on the Play button. This will play the music before adding it to the post so that you can test it and choose the right one. But for copyright reasons, the music will be muted in this demo. If you tap on the three-dot icon, you can also save a song for later use. In the search bar, you can search for any song or the name of the singer. For example, let's search for Billie Eilish. Here you can see that the songs by Billie Eilish are appearing. To select a song, tap on the name of the song. Now you have to select the part that you want to post. Unfortunately, you can't use the whole song. You can only use around 30 seconds. You can select the most popular parts of the song by tapping on these stars, or you can select your part manually by dragging this audio. After you are done, tap on Done. You can customize your post as you like from here, but I will leave it like this and tap on Post. After the post has been uploaded successfully, tap on your profile icon. Scroll to your post in your profile. Here you can see that there's a speaker icon in the bottom right corner of the post, and the song title is showing at the top. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.